Hello, welcome to Qualitative Quantitative Methods. Oh my. Have you heard the research terminology qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods? Are you confused about what those methods are, how those methods compare to one another, and how to use those methods to collect data for your research study? Then you're in the right place. When I was a UX bootcamp student, the program taught a high-level overview of research methodologies, but it did not go into detail about the differences between the methods. And that frankly left me quite confused when I started interviewing for UX research jobs. Let's start with the difference between quantitative and qualitative research. Quantitative research focuses on a large sample size to create generalizations and patterns of behavior. It provides your research with breadth, not depth. It collects numerical data, for example, clicks, likes, visits, to analyze research using statistical and other measurements of data. Qualitative research focuses on small populations to gain a deep understanding of them. It provides your research with depth, not breadth. It builds on collecting qualitative data, for example, words, images, and film to interpret the meaning between words and behaviors. To provide a simple example, let's think about the color red. Quantitative research can tell you about the people in a given population that prefer the color red. In contrast, qualitative research can tell you why a given population likes the color red. You can use qualitative research to understand the underlying psychological meaning behind various colors. In contrast, you can use quantitative research to identify what color might be the most suitable for your particular design. Now that you have a better understanding between the two types of research, how do you collect quantitative and qualitative data? For quantitative data, you can use surveys, polls, questionnaires, A/B testing, and usability testing research methods. Measure numerical data by asking close-ended or multiple choice questions. For qualitative research, you can use literature reviews, interviewing, observation, shadowing, diary studies, probes, concept testing, usability testing, competitive analysis to give context to the whys of consumer behavior and help you better understand people's thoughts, beliefs, and experiences. While qualitative data will give you context into the whys of consumer behavior, quantitative data is necessary to confirm or test a hypothesis to gather objective answers. For richer, deeper, and more actionable insight into the kind of improvement that will have the most impact, use an integrated approach that relies on both quantitative and qualitative research, called a mixed methods approach. The main benefit of using a mixed methods approach is that the research allows for greater flexibility and can allow you to generate and verify a theory in the same study. Regardless, in many cases, you could still use either qualitative or quantitative research if you believe this is sufficient for your research project.